Hey folks, what's up? This is the second video from our Duolingo session. So, we're still in the first unit, and this is the second exercise, if I'm not mistaken. He explains things really well from scratch, but it's also nice because he doesn't explain absolutely everything, right? So right at the beginning, he already starts with the staff and shows where the notes are. C and D. It's very intuitive, but I want to explain everything step by step for you. And not only that, I also want us to bring the voice into it, so we can start to visualize where the voice, where singing, fits into this type of exercise. On the staff, in sheet music. How do we associate musical notes with our voice? And where exactly we place our voice when we think about it this way? Now combining the visual with the sound, okay? So let's move on to the next exercise. I suggest that you maybe put me on the TV and do it through the app, okay? Along with me. And not only that, sing along too, all right? It's really cool to do this together. If you've already done this lesson on Duolingo, then you can just redo it here by watching and singing along with me. Because here we're actually going to sing the exercises as well. Now, in this section here, we already have a C, then a rest, rest, rest. Remember what we talked about in the last class? That little line there? That lightning bolt-looking symbol is a quarter note rest. Actually, the figure that starts the exercise is a quarter note. So that quarter note has a duration of 1 beat, and the rest that follows is its corresponding rest, which also has a duration, but it's a duration of silence. So in the first measure, that little box with the line on the side, that rectangle, we call that a measure, okay? So we have a 1 beat note, rest, rest, rest. So it's a C. Let's see how that sounds. And there's also an accompaniment, but we already start by playing the notes ourselves, which is the solo. While there's an accompaniment happening in the background that we don't see. We don't see which chords are being played, but that doesn't matter right now. Now there's already this zigzag pattern of notes. Do, he, do. It's interesting and really important that you sing while you play, because that will also help with your tuning. Do, do, he, do, he, do. The chance of you singing the same note in different ways is pretty high, so be careful with that. When we play the same note, we call it unison. Unison, in this case, I sang C twice. Do, do. This exercise is very simple, so you have to stay alert, because it's quick too, right? It doesn't give you much time to breathe, and it doesn't give you much time to think either. That's it. Keep singing, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, because that really helps me with engagement here. And don't forget to tell me in the comments which lesson you're on in Duolingo music. If you've already gone past it or you're doing it along with me, even if you've already completed the lesson and you're further ahead, come back, because I doubt you were singing while you were playing and doing the exercises in the app. So now it's your turn to sing this with me. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.